Welcome to Silkytreat Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 10 minutes start to finish. Rambutan coated with dark chocolate. Ingredients: fresh or canned rambutan fruits, dark chocolate. Preparation: clean the fresh rambutan from the red hairy skin or use canned ones. Insert them on wood sticks. Melt the chocolate following the double cooking method, hot boiling water in the bottom pot, another on top with the chocolate to be melted. Cover the rambutan with the melted chocolate and insert in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. All ready to serve and eat. Enjoy this dessert. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and comment if you wish. Please subscribe, like and share. This would help my channel. Thank you.